Alright, so me and Han are here to review something for you guys tonight. Got a little special treat that I picked up today. Actually, I didn't pick it up, it got dropped off. Amazon had these. Same day shipping. 59 bucks. So, I paid 59 bucks and I got this today. The Dewback. So, I'm going to crack this sucker open. Alright. Hold tight, and here we go. Oh my, this guy's huge. Okay, I'm getting this in the shot. Here's the 6-inch figure. There's the Dewback. Wow. Alright, stand by here. We're going to get him out of the package here. Hold on. Okay, so we've got figure, backpack, gun, spear, saddle. Okay, I'm gonna throw the saddle on this guy. And it's gonna tab in. Maybe. Seems a little tricky. Well, mine does not want to fit at all. I wonder if this is an issue. Okay, so I've messed with this thing for a while, and huge freaking bummer. Either mine's got a broken piece on it, or I don't know. I got the rubber. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but my saddle does not fit on my Dewback. It looks like maybe something's broken off right there. Here at the edge. Maybe I'm missing a tab on mine. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you have this thing. So, that's pretty much a bummer. I think I might have to like glue my saddle in there or something. Yeah, I don't know exactly what happened there, man, but sure does not fit right. So, anyway, let's move on now. So we've got the Trooper. Man, I'm bummed out. That sucks. Trooper himself, he's got the same articulation, I believe, as the other Troopers. I have another one here. Looks like this guy's leg goes up this far. Well, looks like First Order has a little more articulation, so I don't know. Let's see how this guy fits on here. Or would potentially fit on here, I guess. You have to kind of swivel his thighs a little bit to get him to kind of fully sit. And yes, there he is sitting on it. As good as you can get with this one because of the armor here on the legs. That there doesn't allow you to, I guess you gotta kind of twist it. There we go. Maybe if I twist it like that, I can get more bend out of it. See if we can get these knees to work for us. There's no shin swivel, so you can't really turn it back. Oh, that's worse than before. So it looks like you want to just kind of get the armor in this little pocket there, and the knees, and go from there. So that's as good as he can sit, I guess, on this figure. Man, this is not made as well as I thought it was going to be. I'm a little bit disappointed, to tell you the truth. I like the Dewback, but yeah. Just so I can feel any better. So I don't know if you can see that, but the first order trooper fits a hell of a lot better on there. Slides right down onto the saddle, basically. The guy that comes with it is a little bit higher, so it's a little higher. So got this backpack, and well, there goes my saddle. Shit. Well, that's how shitty that is. I have to do something about that. So we got the backpack. We got a hole, peg in the hole. Same old trick as classic stuff. Okay, now that's a bit of a short peg there. That fits on there. Well, stays pretty good. It's a little wobbly because it only has the one peg securing it. But this little shoulder strap thingy kind of holds it on there a little better. There he is with the pack. It's not bad. And let's get the spear in his hand for full effect here. Just to find this. There we go. Alright. So here we go. Up on my removable saddle. And that is the trooper on the Dewback. Here's his gun he comes with. Has a tripod, but it's folded up. Pretty nice detail. Actually, not that great a detail. The perforated barrel could have been better there, and oh well. It's alright there. So okay, let's get into the Dewback, I guess, and see what kind of articulation we got. Set the trooper aside here. See if he can sit next to Han. Keep him watched. No. Can't really sit on the couch very well either. Well, you know, that's pretty disappointing that the guy he comes with can't really sit very well. Well. Alright, there's the gun. Out of the way. Here we go. I'll take this off because mine keeps falling off. Set that aside. Okay, the Dewback. He's got side-to-side rotation on his head. It's pretty good. Up, down a little bit. Seems to be on some kind of ball joint, maybe. Let's see, he's supposed to have mouth articulation. Oh, yeah. So some mouth articulation. Tongue in there. Tongue moves. Articulated. Oh, yeah. We've got that going on. Mouth open, close. Side to side. Give me some food. Alright, that's pretty decent. Let's see, then we've got the feet. We got toe articulation. It's pretty cool. Thumb. It's got a thumb on each leg. The arms up at the shoulders here, on the shoulder joints of this guy, they only slide back and forth like a, you know, classic dinosaur style figure. But it does not, oh wait, oh, hold on here, finding out. Front legs do move, they articulate, okay? Back legs, no, not so much, okay? Back legs are on just a straight spinner, okay? But we do have knees a little bit, kind of like a reverse knee, I guess. It does articulate all the way down. It bends all the way up like that. It's pretty sweet. This leg bends up. Let's see if we can get him in a mode where he's kind of laying down. Okay, so that's pretty good as far as that goes with the knee bending and articulation. That puts him on the ground like he's eating. It's pretty sweet. Groveling. Okay, and then take all the knees up. That one, those go all the way out. Okay, so do these. Alright. So he can dance for you on his twinkle toes. Anyway, alright, so this guy's pretty damn articulated. This is a nice little guy here. Let's check the tail. Tail moves a little bit here. It's on some kind of something. It looks like that moved back and forth, up and down a little bit, but there's quite a gap in there. Look at the gap. See in there. So overall, the Dewback is a lot better than the Trooper, I'd say, but the Dewback, man, could use articulation in his upper thighs, dude, to come out. That'd be awesome, like the frontlets. That would have been really sick to do that back like that, but oh well. Still pretty cool for what it is. So that's it. I'm gonna have to see what's up about my saddle. Hopefully you guys don't have the same issues. But from here, that's my quick review. 12 minutes on the Dewback and the Stormtrooper. Alright, y'all. Have a good one.